How to make reels on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and let's learn to make reels on Instagram. Without further ado, let's begin. First of all, launch Instagram app on a device. Make sure that you sign in or log into your account. So Instagram Reels are short form videos with effects, music and creative tools. Unlike story Reels appears in your feed and the Reels tab on your profile. So you can easily tap on the camera icon in the top left corner of your Instagram home feed, or simply you can easily swipe from the left to the right. Now at the bottom you can easily find out the Reels option. You simply need to select Reels. Now you can use the creative tools at the left side menu. Audio, you can pick a song from Instagram's library and select a section of the track. For speed, you can easily select the speed icon to adjust playback speed, that is slow or fast. You can add filters and face effects, set recording durations for hands-free shooting. Also, you can align appears after the first clip helps create seamless transitions by overlaying a frame from the last clip. Now you can easily tap and hold the record button. So let's tap and hold it and make real video. Now you can easily add songs, filters and many more and select the next icon at bottom right once you are done. Then select the next button. After done, you can easily tag peoples, write a caption, add hashtag, add locations, rename the audio, choose your audience, and if you wish to share on Threads or Facebook, you can turn on the button. So you can easily tap on edit cover and you can select a cover image for the preview or frame for the video. Or you can add a custom one and tap the done at top right corner of your screen. Once you are done that, you can tap on the share icon at bottom right corner of your screen and then share it on your Instagram app. So in this way, you can easily create Instagram Reels and share it on Instagram. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.